Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. Starting a limited liability company, LLC, for your social media marketing business can provide several benefits. Most importantly, an LLC structure offers limited liability to its owners, which can protect their personal assets from lawsuits and creditors. Before continuing the video, let's introduce you to BZ. BZ is a professional formation service company to file your LLC. It's an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. For just $0 plus state fees, clients can enjoy preparing and filing the articles of organization with a complimentary registered agent service for the first year. This comprehensive package not only ensures top-notch privacy safeguards but also provides excellent value for money. With BZ, customers can rest assured that their easy, fast, and effective service, allowing them to focus on their business endeavors with confidence. The full review of BZ is also given in the description box down below. Now, let's continue the video. For a social media marketing business, lawsuits can arise from things like posting offensive content on a client's social media in error, losing access to a client's social media account after a hack, or claims of defamation. LLCs are also affordable, highly flexible, from a tax point of view, and can make your social media marketing business seem more credible. Now, a common question arises: do I need an LLC for a social media marketing business? LLCs are a simple and inexpensive way to protect your personal assets and save money on taxes. You should start an LLC when there's any risk involved in your business and when your business could benefit from tax options and increased credibility. Let's discuss the benefits of LLC benefits for a social media marketing business. By starting an LLC for your social media marketing business, you can protect your savings, car, and house with limited liability protection. Have more tax benefits and options. Increase your business's credibility. LLCs provide limited liability protection. This means your personal assets, car, house, bank account, are protected in the event your business is sued or if it defaults on a debt. Social media marketing businesses will benefit from liability protection because of the risk of trademark infringement, false advertising, violation of privacy, and defamation. For example, you are hired by a client to help grow their Instagram following and increase their exposure on social media platforms. However, during the campaign, you accidentally post offensive or inappropriate content that is criticized by followers. If the client sues, liability protection will limit any potential legal damages to only your business assets, protecting your personal finances from any losses. An LLC will also protect your personal assets in the event of commercial bankruptcy or loan default. Now, let's discuss LLC tax benefits for a social media marketing business. LLCs, by default, are taxed as a pass-through entity, just like a sole proprietorship or partnership. This means that the business's net income passes through to the owner's individual tax return. The business's net income is then subject to income taxes, based on the owner's tax bracket, and self-employment taxes. Sole proprietorships and partnerships are taxed in a similar way to LLCs, but they do not offer limited liability protection or other tax options. There is also S-Corp option for LLCs. An S-Corporation is an IRS tax status that an LLC can elect. S-Corp status allows business owners to be treated as employees of the business for tax purposes. S-Corp tax status can reduce self-employment taxes and will allow business owners to contribute pre-tax dollars to 401k or health insurance premiums. The S-Corp status requires that the business pay the employee owners a reasonable salary for the work they perform. In addition, the business might need to spend more on accounting, bookkeeping, and payroll services. To offset these costs, you'd need to be saving about $2,000 a year on taxes. We estimate that if a social media marketing business owner can pay themselves a reasonable salary and at least $10,000 in distributions each year, they could benefit from S-Corp status. You can start an S-Corp when you form your LLC. Another benefit is credibility and consumer trust. Social media marketing businesses rely on consumer trust. Credibility plays a key role in creating and maintaining any business. Businesses gain consumer trust simply by forming an LLC. A growing business can also benefit from the credibility of an LLC when applying for small business loans, grants, and credit. Now, let's walk you through on how to form an LLC. Forming an LLC is easy. There is a safe options for forming your LLC. You can hire a professional LLC formation service to set up your LLC for a small fee. For most new business owners, the best state to form an LLC in is the state where you live and where you plan to conduct your business. By forming a legal business entity, you can minimize your liability and take advantage of potential tax savings as well. Now, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC using Busy, and in the description down below you also find a review of their service. They are one of the best entity formation platforms in the market that charges $0 for their service. Now, let me just show you what types of services Busy provides to business owners. After arriving on their website, you will see the list of all the services they provide. Under the Start Your Business section, you will see 4 of their key services, which are form an LLC, C Corporation, S Corporation, and Nonprofit. As you can see, there are 3 different packages: Silver, Gold, and Platinum. And the first thing that's worth mentioning is that the state fee does not change. You can see it's $236 in all the packages. Some of the extra services that are included in this package are preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent for 1 year, and unlimited phone and email support. Next, the Gold package, which costs $249. And this is the package I highly recommend, with filing EIN, which is a business tax number, Form 2553. It also comes with operating agreement, business bank account, lifetime company alerts, tax consultation, etc. In the next section, Busy is asking you to provide your LLC name and its designation. After that, they ask you whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. Busy is providing registered agent service free for 1 year. And after that, it's $119 per year. Busy is asking you whether you want to get an EIN or not. In the next section, Busy will ask you whether you will set up a small U.S. business bank with Bank of America. Then if you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. In the Busy dashboard, if you go to Legal and then Licenses and Permits, they can do this research for you and make sure that you have all the proper licenses and permits. After providing all the information, Busy will be the one handling all the documents and registering your LLC on your behalf, so you won't need to go through any of these hassles. Do LLCs need insurance? All businesses need insurance to protect their business assets, even LLCs. This is because limited liability protection from being an LLC protects your personal assets, not your business assets. Social media marketing businesses need insurance to protect their assets from potential financial losses due to copyright infringement, cyber theft, data breaches, and more. Common situations business insurance may cover for a social media marketing business. For example, during a meeting in a client's office, you accidentally spill coffee on his expensive laptop. General liability insurance would pay to replace the client's damaged property. Another example, another social media marketing company files a libel lawsuit against your business. General liability insurance would cover your legal defense costs. Finally, have a conversation with your insurance agent about the types of coverage your agency may need. You'll likely need at least general liability and professional liability coverage. In closing, you've made a great choice by deciding to form an LLC for your marketing agency, particularly because of the personal liability protection that it offers. Just be sure to follow all the steps to ensure that your agency's launch goes smoothly and to avoid issues down the road. Then you'll be free to focus on getting clients and leading your marketing agency to success.